Hello guys, it's Zach again. Today, it's Zach Margay. I'm Zach. So today, we are calling this video about what are the coolest Nerf guns, I think, okay? My top, not 5, but like things, cool Nerf guns, I think. So here it is, Hey guys. Okay, so here we go. So the number, not number, but like the first one I want to show you is the Recon. The reason why is because yes, I painted mine red. Okay, Recon because it's pretty good. It's actually a good accuracy gun. Is like boom, and they go right where I want to. But it's like not shotgun, but it's like an assault rifle. The reason why I like assault rifles is because it feels good with the stock, which it's a good thing that you got the stock. It's like you can just put it on, it's like you just do that. Instead of just doing this, you got this stock. And so yeah, it's pretty much. And it's just an easy reload, just copy system. You just go like this. And if it gets jammed, got that door right there, of course. But yeah, it's pretty good. Like, watch. Hold on. Hey guys, I bet y'all if I do this, I shoot y'all, then it will have the great accuracy. Watch. See, it doesn't have the best accuracy, but it's still good. It goes a little bit higher, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. And that's pretty much. So yeah, clips, light clips, okay. So this next one, hold on. This next one is pretty sweet actually, because it's so awesome. Okay, but the next one is pretty good. It's a fully automatic gun. But the reason why I picked the Vulcan has that it's just the easy mechanism of just how you want to put it. It's like you just want to do single fire mode, easy cocking handle, and then it's like just this. It's like you can do that, and then it's like, now it's like that. And then you can put it as that, cock it, pew, 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 pew. I don't have anything about it right now, but I'm getting the Nerf Stampede on Saturday or Sunday or something. Next weekend actually, and I'm going to be showing you my top 5 Nerf guns. I'm going to get the Longshank and the Maverick and all that, so yeah, so. Another one is the Firefly. A lot of y'all, I like the Firefly because it lights up. It's pretty good. It's fun whenever it lights up. See, it's really good. See, this is like